Come on, Mindy. Come on.
On the computer screen. Wow. He's like, where'd it go? Poor Mindy. Is she torturing you? Or are you just really easily amused?
Why did her do this when Christy gets here?
Pretty funny.
I could have fun all night doing this. It's better than playing pogo.
She said it's better than playing pogo. That's pretty sad.
Watch her go back and forth. Watch.
She's like through the groove right there. Every time you go up higher, she jumps. Mandy, that hurts. Ow. Don't bite my toe.
That's as far as I can reach.
Mandy. Mandy's over here licking my foot. Wow. Come on, Mandy.
Come on.
Mandy. You can get it. Come on. You can get it. Like, I did get it, but I can't feel it. Makes you
Did
sad,
you give up,
doesn't it?
baby? Did you give up? Did you give up? Yes, so you forget to move on to bigger and better things.